and welcome to today's vlog. So today is Vlogmas day 8. So today was a pretty boring day, so instead of uploading just a boring vlog, I was like, let me do a DIY project that I've been meaning to do for the longest time anyways. So I'm gonna be painting this vase that I got at a thrift shop. I don't even know how much it was. I wanted to make the vase more of like a ceramic-y texture instead of just like a regular glass vase. So if you guys haven't seen those videos, a lot of people have been transforming their regular glass vases into ceramic looking vases, and the way they do that is with acrylic paint. So this is like it looks like an oatmeal kind of color. It's warm gray. I got it at Hobby Lobby, and I feel like it definitely goes with like a farmhouse style table. And I'm gonna mix this paint with baking soda. So I've had this baking soda for a while and I feel like it's kind of a little clumpy, so I'm hoping it still works. I'm gonna try and like separate it. I'm gonna mix it. I thought we had a deeper dish than this, or a plastic plate, but this is what we have. So I'm probably just gonna mix it in this solo cup. So don't mind the noise. Andrew is watching a movie in the background. Some of that in here. Ooh. I think I got a good amount. I'm going to mix baking soda, which I feel like it's super clumpy, like you could hear it. Let's hope this goes okay. It's not a lot. I don't even know what to mix this with.
You're only painting it that color?
Yeah. Why?
Matches your shirt. Oh, I thought you were gonna paint like a bunch of colors.
No, why would I do that?
So, this is your DIY video, painting it one color.
Alright, so this is one coat. I just painted it, so it's still wet. I don't know how I feel. How do you feel about this? How do you feel about the color?
Where are you gonna put it?
On the table.
See it up there on the top.
I feel like it really matches the table.
Is that what you're going for?
Okay, so I guess I have to wait I'm gonna wait a couple minutes and then I'll come back, show you guys. I'm gonna put another, I think like 2 coats. So I just put on the last coat. So I love the texture of it. It definitely doesn't look like glass. It looks like a clay vase. Just am not loving these little like clumpy areas. I think I just used way too much paint, and at this point I can't really do anything about it. So I think I'm going to buy white paint tomorrow. Hopefully they have white paint, and I'm gonna use this spongy brush and just go over it. And I think that'll definitely make it look a lot better, because right now it's not ugly, it's just way too plain. So again, I think I'm just gonna have to work on it tomorrow some more, and then I should have gotten a smaller brush just to smooth it out here because that brush is way too big and it has way too much paint on it. There's no fixing that. So I guess that's all for today's Vlogmas / DIY video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.